Not from singing do I wait or hope for season or time, bird song, flower or leaf, but from you, lady, exactly as I wish, and much better than I even know how to want. For you are to me advancement and respite and healing, joy and delight, beginning and end, which is why in you I move my song and start, where joy and worth grow and are born and are adored.
For this in joy I sojourn and take my ease, because your love receives me and welcomes me each day, always more than what time used to.
In loving well I improve beyond my power, but I don't dare make according to my heart a show.
For you, lady, can be my healing,
for never did will or desire compel me so much that I wanted by my own fault to fail.
for just as much as the world can hold, as the sea encloses the heavens and the earth encompass, nowhere can I see, nor heart think, nor imagine, nor know, in a single body such beautiful comportment of all good qualities. Not one fails or is missing, for beauty and the charming appearances inform all her sense and her understanding.
If someone from excess of good and pleasure and great joy should have pride, he might well boast that he kills himself with worry, but I will say, who makes me abstain
Over knowledge, measure, and recognition.
For I know well, good worthy lady, that to you mercy and choice gave me, and my good heart, and not at all